Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So now in this video today we have a special collaboration and it's called the Independence Day Open Invite Collab, and this is hosted by Deborah Cabassa Home Living and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that is me. I'm going to be linking the host down below in the description box along with the channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist so that you can see how everybody decided to decorate for Independence Day. So before we start the video, remember to click that like button and also hit that notification bell where it says all, and then this will let you know every single time we upload. So what's awesome about this collab is that it's freestyle. So you can choose any area of your house to decorate or to do anything that you would like, including a DIY, which I absolutely love, but I'm not doing that today. So today I decided to decorate a vignette, and then I decided, okay, we may as well do the whole coffee table because that's where the vignette will be staying. Now, the first thing I did was we used a blue tablecloth. Now, I couldn't resist. I did 2 DIYs with those bouquet centerpieces. Oh my goodness. I don't think the camera's doing it any justice. They are gorgeous. Now, because these centerpieces were color appropriate, I decided to use it to decorate the table. Now, I decided to use the mirror tray for decorating, and then I decided to go ahead and drape a cloth right over the vignette. We're going to go ahead and continue decorating this tray, and as a reminder, you're going to see me moving things around until I feel happy with the way that they look. And so I'm going to leave you to listen to some music as I go ahead and set this up for you. so loving the results of how this is all coming together. And you know, we're gonna light the candles and it's almost time for the reveal, guys. I'm so happy. Now I saw this extra scarf that I had purchased at the Dollar Tree, and I decided to drape it on the back of the coffee table, and so that's what I'm going to go ahead and do now before we head on over to the reveal. Okay, now we are done. Let's head on over there so you can see. Now I want to take a moment and thank Deborah Cabassa Home Living for hosting this collaboration with me. Now, I do hope that you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed putting it together for you. I think it came out absolutely gorgeous. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.